to Nana's Tasty Bite. Today on this video we want to cook mixed vegetable jollof. Very simple one. In the oil, we already have our oil on fire. We added our chopped onions. We want to just stir it for a little bit. When it's getting a little bit brown, then we add the blended garlic, ginger, onions inside the oil. Adding our blended onions, ginger, garlic inside the oil with the. It's time to add the blended fresh tomato in the onions. Then we leave it to a boil for 5 minutes. I'm adding my tomato paste, tasty tom mix. Because the fresh tomatoes the tomato is fresh, the first one is fresh. I boiled that one for some time, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, I've added my tasty tom mix. That's tomato paste from Ghana. We are going to leave it to a boil for another 10 minutes. Then we add the next ingredients to it. We are adding our seasoning. After that, we taste to see if everything is okay. If that is the way we like the taste. And we check the salt also, because the seasons have salt. So we want to taste before adding salt. If the salt is not enough for us, then we add salt. So we just leave it to boil for 3 minutes and taste the salt, and then add our stock, add our rice and our stocks. Then here we go, and see if it's what we want. Perfect. I want to add my rice. I want to add my rice to my stew. The rice is washed already. I've already washed the rice. Adding our stock to it. We are leaving it for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes time, everything is going to be okay. We want to add our gizzard and our sausage to our rice. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Something I forget to tell you guys, that the tomato paste already have spicy inside. That is why I didn't add spicy. It's the chili pepper. Tomato paste have It's mixed with onions, garlic, gingers, and very hot spice. So we want to add our vegetable to it. I poured the vegetable here after frying it in the frying pan because the frying pan was still hot. It will make it very soft and I don't want it that way. So mix vegetable jollof rice. Because I've added gizzard and sausage, I have named it mixed vegetable sausage gizzard jollof rice. Oh, very simple and nice. You can learn this one very quick. We have different methods. This is one of the methods that I've just taught you today. I'll be bringing different methods of cooking, how to cook jollof rice. Just 3 minutes and we are done. It's ready. Can you see? Wow. Mixed vegetable gizzard sausage jollof rice. If you want, you can get your simple salad, eat with it. Some people also eat jollof rice. With shito, you have your shito, add a little bit. Others also prepare stew, a little bit stew, add it to your jollof rice. It depends on how you want it. This is looking very attractive and it's yummy. Yes. Thank you everyone. Oh, this is Nana's Tasty Bite. Please, I know you all love me. So far, I've been seeing your subscribers. A lot of them are subscribing to my channel. Please try as much as you could and subscribe to this channel because we are going to learn a lot of things from my channel. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye.